Today we're going to make a St. Patrick's Day paper plate hat. Get your paper plates from your goodie bag. Get scissors, pencil, and get ready. Take your paper plate. You're going to fold it in half and make sure the edges meet, edge to edge. Fold it as flat as you can. Increase it there. Now we're going to take our pencil and we're going to draw on here. I like to use my pencil so I can erase it if I make mistakes. I'm going to turn it sideways because the first one is going to be an almost heart shape. So draw a heart shape, but don't touch the folded part. Draw the other half. Turn it back this way. And you're going to make the stem. You're going to draw it to that part of the circle on the plate. Then you're going to go up at the top and make half of a heart right here and connect. And then see where this plate goes around? I'm going to try to keep on that and draw a circle around the shamrock. If you make a mistake, using a pencil is easy to erase. If you use a pen, it's hard to erase. Now take your scissors. I like to go around the circle part first. Be careful, this is kind of tricky. Don't cut that all the way off. And this is hard to decide whether I want to cut it this way or that way. So we're going to cut little pieces at a time so that we don't hurt ourselves. Stay on the lines the best you can. If you need help, ask your parents to help you. This is a good practice though, using those small motor skills in your hands, those small muscles in your hands. Take your time and do the best you can with this. Make sure you don't cut through that folded part. Now, move your stuff out of your way, and you open up your plate like this. Spread the shamrock apart. You very gently pull the shamrock up so it stands up on your head. Just like that. If the paper plate doesn't fit your head, you can always make a slice on the back so that it fits. And look, voila, we have a beautiful shamrock hat. I hope you had fun. Bye now.